Hi everybody, it's the Juilliard here at Artful Elements Studio. Today's project is rock, paper, resin. We're going to be making some recycled paper geodes. So let's get started. Pick your favorite jazzy glass. You'll need some tumblers, lightning cure epoxy. Of course, shredded paper, some mixing containers, and then a couple vinyl sheets, something to work on and one to lay on top to press. And you can leave out that fly. So now we're going to put in some paper into our mixing container, mix us up some lightning cure. The amount that you use is really going to depend on the size of geode that you want to make. And if you're going to be making a cathedral, you'll just form around a piece of foil or whatever to get that dome. Now I'm adding in some black pigment here just so that we can see how it gets incorporated into the paper. And you're just going to mix it in. Now the amount that you add is all dependent upon the type of paper that you have in there. My shred has plastic in it and some really, I would say, non-absorbent paper. So I just want to get it coated real well. And that's why I've poured it out onto the vinyl, and you can just add more resin as you need it. You will know you want a good coating. So we're just going to continue to mix that in, and then we'll start forming it into our sliced geode piece. I compress it a little and then, leave out the hole in the center for our jazzy glass. You could easily make this domed. Just put down a piece of foil and put your plastic over that and then build up around the foil. But we're going to do a slice. So I'm cleaning up all the edges, compressing as I go, and then we will lay on our secondary piece of vinyl and press as well. This is just going to give us a nice workable area. And here we are. It is cured for 30 minutes and I've released it from the vinyl. Now I'm just cleaning up the edges a little and put it down. You could always add texture medium and texture paste to this as well. So, have fun. Now we're going to be doing our glass portion. So we grab our jazzy glass. We're going to mix up some of the lightning cure. Put some glass into one of our mixing containers. And once again, however much you use is totally up to you. And then we'll put in a little bit. It doesn't take very much of the resin. Now you're going to start fitting it in around the edges, getting it all stuck together. Make sure it's coated well. And then I'm putting out some extra because I want to make a base for the geode slice. So we're going to use that to help stand this baby up. So we've released everything. It's set up another 30 minutes. And now it's time to paint. We're just going to use acrylic paint. And there's no rhyme or reason here. It can be any colors you want, but we're just going to get it painted. I'm going to go back with white and add in our rings. I'll introduce a little bit of brown. So we've got a little brown, a little black, and a little white, so that we'll get our gray scale in, and that's it. And now we'll let that dry, and now I'm just going to affix the pieces of glass at the base so that I have a stand. And there you have it, a recycled paper geode. Thank you.